Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Remember, today is the truth or dare challenge, and my husband is asleep, so I gotta take my time and walk. He's asleep, and I'm gonna do his makeup. Oh boy. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go get the makeup. Hold on, guys. Don't go anywhere. Okay, guys, I got it. He's asleep. Okay, guys, he's asleep. Oh my god, guys, I have the makeup on the brush, and he's asleep. Oh my god, I hope he don't smack me, guys. I'm taking my time, guys. I will wake up. I know he's bad tired because he was playing Xbox all night last night. Oh my god. Bed, go over on the bed. Oh my god, I'm tired. Oh my god, yes. I'm gonna put some red lipstick. Mwah. Mwah. No way.
Hey guys, how you doing? What's up? This is the Jody and David YouTube channel. How's your morning coming along, even or night? Because I don't know what time you're watching this. But I want to say is I woke up to some horrifying makeup on my face that my wife did. But don't worry about it. Payback will be soon.
So guys, I'm gonna sing the Jamaican anthem. You guys dare me to do it. So yep, we are walking to the park and we're gonna get started. So hey guys, you guys dare me to sing the Jamaican national anthem. So I gotta stand with respect. Babe, hold my sweet please. Okay guys, so I'm gonna stand, hands at the side, and then I'm gonna, my head erect up, and I'm gonna sing 1, 2, 3. Eternal Father, bless thy land, guide us with thy mighty hands, keep us free from evil powers, be our light to countless hours, through our leaders great defend us, grant true wisdom from above, justice, truth be ours forever, Jamaica land we love, Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica land we love. Teach us to respect for all, service wants to duties call, strengthen us the weak to cherish, give us vision lest we perish, knowledge send us, Heavenly Father, grant true wisdom from above, justice, truth be us forever, Jamaica land we love. Okay, that's it guys. Oh no, where?
It's called the stretch dance. Block the sun. Block the sun. Block the sun. Oh man. Take a step back. Oh. Moving what you got. Moving what you got. It's all back though, but it's okay. Oh man. Nah, no twerking. We don't twerk here. Sorry.
Hey guys, welcome back. We just came from outside and now we're gonna finish the questions that you guys had posed. Are you ready, baby?
No, but
why not?
I just ate something. My stomach is full. Okay.
Mad greedy. Okay, guys, let's get down to business. No kiss?
No.
Why?
Let's get down to business.
Alright. So, hey guys, you dare me to go knock on my neighbor's door and ask for toilet paper. So now I'm walking to my neighbor's door. Oh my God. I'm so nervous for this one. Is it this one? All right, let's see this. Guys, I'm mad scared. Why do you guys... It's your neighbor. Huh? You guys are mad. Hey, what's up?
How you doing?
I'm doing a truth and dare thing on my YouTube channel. But they dare me to ask my neighbor for toilet paper. For a toilet paper. I'm here.
Now, we want toilet paper?
Yeah.
We want to talk about that toilet paper. Wait.
Yeah.
A whole big ass thing of toilet paper.
Okay. Alright. So guys, I got me a bunch of toilet paper. I'm going with my tissue. I got a bunch of toilet papers. Yay. Okay. So this question, stop doing that. You're mocking me. It's not nice. I dare you to lick your husband's earlobes. Baby, ears clean?
Nope. Make sure it's dirty. Nah, it's clean.
Okay. Okay, guys.
You ain't talking about to fall out of your mouth.
Don't even bomb her down. Okay.
I'll pick
ready.
it up.
Ready?
No.
Why not? Ready?
Here go. You got me quick.
Try to hit me in the head. Ready?
You got to get.
Hey.
Alright, go.
You're moving. No.
Go.
Relax.
They gotta
No,
see.
go.
They gotta see.
But you move your hand. Ready?
No, my head.
It's I'm your wife. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Don't hold my head. That's it.
Okay.
Yo.
You're moving. You're moving, babe.
It don't feel right, yo.
Why?
It's so nasty. I don't want that shit, man. Oh.
Move your hand so they can
Stop
see.
licking my ear.
6.5 hours later.
You look like part time. Yeah.
Okay, ready. You're moving your head slightly. Come. 1, 2, 3, go.
All right.
It's bitter.
Yeah, my ear about to fall off.
Okay. And the other question is... Go outside. Yeah, we did that already. You're trying to lick my ears too. Stop. Okay. Truth. How did you met your partner?
Out of space.
Stop it.
She was an alien, man. She was meant from outer space.
Tell her where we met.
What happened was, I was in a bakery, right? I wanted some fresh bread. I didn't have enough money. Not playing. We met on a site called Badu. We met on a site. She was trying to bag me up. She kept on saying, "Oh my God, you so cute. You look so good. Like, I want you." I was like, "Come on, stop you." I am. I forgot what I said, but I was like, "Stop it. You can't have me." She was like, "I don't care. I worship the floor you walk on. I want you badly. You look so good. You like my chocolate caramel, sexy man in the world." I said, "All right." And then she was like, "I'll take you out on a date. I'll buy you anything." So, you know, free food. Nah, I'm playing. I hit her up. She said hi. I said hi. And we just started talking from there. And after that, we went on a date, you know, Red Lobster, like, you know, my visit I told you about.
Yes,
and now
video.
we just married. After like almost what, a year and a half, 2 years passed. Whatever. When time passed, we got married.
Yeah. See my ring? Okay. Another question was, I dare you to dye your hair pink, but my hair is all getting natural right now, and it's hard to take care of. So that one I can't do. So another time I will. I dare you to put your tongue on your husband's nose bridge.
Nah.
Why your thing is tongue?
We ain't gonna
your
do
nose
that.
bridge is right here, babe.
I know,
right
but
here.
we ain't gonna do that because I feel really sick and all my boogers is falling out. So she gonna.
Right here, come let me do it.
Nah, it's okay.
You're little freaks. I know you're little freaks. Okay, baby, let's go.
Come.
Not in my mouth.
Yeah, you said.
Okay, hold steady. Hold steady. To me.
Okay.
Gum. You act like my breath stink.
You gotta
My
go.
breath not stink. Yeah, I
Alright,
got
I gotta
gum.
go. Okay, ew.
Ah. Oh, you got cold. And the last and final one is, I dare myself to lap dance my husband. Babe, are you ready for this one? Because I'm ready. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put some music on in this bed.
I'm tired, but cause somebody will put makeup on my face, but you know. Come on. You happy? Doing it. Are you giving me a back slap dance? Cause your back is on that set. So guys, this is doing when we act up. You know, you got guys to the camera. You go in, that's it. Let's cut all of this.
Yeah, let's start.
I go bring my chair.
Are you picking me up? Look at that, guys.
Rock the baby, rock the baby. Alright. So guys, that's the end of the show. It's a workout we had. Hope you had fun. I wish you all the best. Don't forget to smash the follow button, hit the like button, hit the notification
I gotta
button.
turn this on.
You can still hear me. Don't worry about it, guys, right? You can still hear me. You're not deaf. Let's go. I'll see y'all next Sunday.